You wake up in the morning, pick up your phone, and before the day even begins, there are dozens of notifications on your screen. Messages, ads, discounts, news. All of them are trying to grab your attention. But the most important part is this. In one way or another, all of them are also trying to take money out of your pocket. You buy a coffee, then you order food, then you make a small purchase, then a subscription payment gets charged. From a distance, it all looks unimportant. But when you look at your bank account at the end of the month, the same question comes up. Where did I spend all this money? I am Tyler, and today I'm going to show you how you can use artificial intelligence better from a financial point of view. But let's be clear about something. AI will not make you rich overnight. It will not give you a secret investment formula. It will not always predict the market correctly. If someone explains it that way, they are most likely selling you a dream and a course. But when AI is used correctly, it can do something truly powerful. It can organize your messy financial life, help you see your unnecessary spending, simplify your investment decisions, and protect you from emotional mistakes. Because the thing that makes people lose money is not always a lack of knowledge. Sometimes it is panic. Sometimes it is rushing. Sometimes it is the mindset of, everyone has it, so why shouldn't I? And sometimes it is the unnecessary spending you call, it's just a small amount anyway. That is where AI becomes useful. Because AI does not get tired, it does not get hyped, and it does not get scared. It only looks at the data. But here is the important point. You will not hand the control completely over to AI. You will use AI as a personal assistant. The final decision will still be yours, but now you will no longer be making that decision with your eyes closed. Your first step is simple. Check your spending from the last 3 months. Groceries, food, coffee, transportation, subscriptions. Then write this to AI. Find the expenses in these transactions that are silently melting my money. Show me my 5 biggest money leaks. That's it. Because before most people start investing, they first need to become aware of where they are losing money. If you spend $500 unnecessarily every month, that is $6,000 gone in a year. If you spend $400 unnecessarily every month, that is $4,800 gone in a year. And because this money does not disappear all at once, you do not notice it. Drop by drop, your money disappears. The second step is setting a goal. I want to make money is not a goal. That is only a wish and a desire. A real goal is clear. For example, I will build an emergency fund in 6 months. I will invest 10% of my income every month. I will reduce my debts. I will not put money into risky things I do not understand. You can write your income, expenses, debt, and risk level to AI and ask it to create a simple plan for you. The goal here is not for it to tell you one single investment. The goal is for it to help you build a system you can actually get used to. The third step is simplifying investment topics. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at the same time. Stocks, funds, gold, crypto, foreign currency, dividends, technical analysis. Your brain burns out, and in the end, you do nothing. Ask AI this. Explain the difference between stocks, funds, gold, and cash in a simple way. Or ask, compare low-risk, medium-risk, and high-risk investment tools. This way, you understand better what you are putting your money into. Because investing in something you do not understand is not investing. It is gambling. The fourth step is setting rules for yourself. For example, I will not sell in panic. I will not put all my money into one thing. I will not take high risks while I am in debt. I will invest regularly every month. Then ask AI to create a checklist based on these rules. Before making an investment, look at that checklist. If your decision comes from excitement, stop. If it comes from fear, stop. If it comes only because other people are talking about it, definitely stop. Look, wealth is not only about making more money. Wealth is about managing your money better. It is about panicking less, making clearer decisions, cutting unnecessary spending, and making your money work consciously. AI will not live your life for you, but if you use it correctly, it will shine a light and show you the way. It will show you where your money is disappearing. It will show you what you do not understand. It will show you which decisions you are making emotionally. This is not investment advice. You need to make your own decision based on your own situation. But never forget this: technology is not your enemy. If you use it only for empty entertainment, it will only kill your time. But if you use it to build a money system, it can make your life easier. For me, that is the whole point. AI does not promise me wealth. It gives me clarity. And sometimes, when it comes to money, the biggest advantage is not being smarter than everyone else. It is staying calmer and more systematic than everyone else.